Are you waiting to make the biggest hit at your next party? Well, look no further. This recipe for fun fizzy drinks is sure to be the bomb. I'm Jennifer from Concepts by Jennifer D, and I will be sharing with you how to make drink bombs. For this recipe, you'll need 1/3 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of citric acid, 2 packets of drink powder, and 2 packets of Pop Rocks. So for this recipe, I am using the Tropical Punch Pop Rocks and the Berry Blue Typhoon Hawaiian Punch flavor. You will also need sprinkles, that is optional, some water, and some citrus flavored soda. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do 1 drink with citrus flavored soda and then 1 drink with water. All right, so let's get started. So you're going to mix all the ingredients together. Got your baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, powdered sugar. Mix all those together really good. Then you want to add your drink powdered mix. Add your water slowly because water does activate all of the compounds in it. You can see that's bubbling already. Use my hands. And you want to put enough water to where it has a sand consistency. You know what? I'm going to go get my spray bottle. Give me 1 second. Alright, I'm back with my spray bottle. This will help it mix easily without putting so much water in one place. You want to add the Pop Rocks last because those are also activated by liquid. This smells amazing, by the way. And the kids are gonna love this. You could put these drink bombs in alcoholic beverages, and plain water, and citrus sodas, ginger ale. It flavors the water, and it also is an awesome display. And everybody's gonna be begging you for your recipe, trust me. So you could see it's almost getting to the consistency we need. Just mix it up, break up these, it's bubbling on the sides here. Mix up, get these chunks out. We're gonna add sprinkles last. You can also use edible glitters. I'm going to post in the link the forms I make. I use bath bomb molds. So a lot of these ingredients are very similar to bath bombs. So if you already have half these ingredients, you pretty much probably have the rest of your ingredients at home. Alright, so we're coming up to the consistency of sand. I'm going to give it a little more squirts, and then I'll add the Pop Rocks. For this video, I'm going to add sugar sprinkles in one, and then I'm going to leave out sugar sprinkles in the next one, so you could see the difference that sugar sprinkles make. So my first bomb is going to be without sugar sprinkles, and I'm just using the small bath bomb molds. So we're just going to put it together, and here you go. It's your first one. Now I'm going to make one with sprinkles. So I could just stick them in there. These are so fun, and the kids just love them. And you could choose any flavors, basically any flavor Pop Rocks. Uh-oh, that one's sticky. Any flavor of drink mix. I got a sticker here. If they do stick, it's fine, because they're kind of like fluffy, like a marshmallow consistency. I have not stored these long term, so I don't know how they hold as far as long term, but my suggestion is to use them right away. So now I'm going to show you what this fizzy drink does with water and then with the citrus soda. I'm not going to put too much in case it overflows, because it can overflow. So let me put this towel down just in case. And this one is the one with sprinkles, and I'm going to put it in the water for you. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? It flavors your drink. This is plain water. It has the sparkles. They float to the top. This is a pretty big bomb, so it's going to go for a while. It's so fun, and the kids love it. Look at the spin action going on there. Isn't that just awesome? You can have bombs in your drink now. Don't forget to subscribe to my video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I am going to be posting lots more videos on these drink bombs. So this one's still bubbling away. So now I'm going to show you the drink bomb without sprinkles, and it's going to be in the citrus soda. So let's go for it. So this is the bomb in the citrus soda. Look at that. Isn't that just awesome? Look, this one's still going. Isn't that fun? Let me give the water one a taste. It's pretty good. Citrus one's awesome too. So this one in the citrus soda is running out faster. I'm guessing because it's in carbonated water, basically. It is still fizzing, still bubbling, still going, still going. And the Pop Rocks are like popping in the back of my throat since I just drank some. So you get the action of the Pop Rocks, you get the fizziness, the color of the sprinkles. It's like super awesome. Imagine having this at your next party. You gotta give this a try. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for my next videos.